You guys, welcome back. The lush vegetation of summer is phasing in as spring begins to lay her head to rest. Today I'm making Gaeng Naw Mai, an earthy, nutritious bamboo soup packed with herbs and veggies. Its moody dark color comes from the juices squeezed out of the Yanang leaves. Let's get started. We'll need bamboo shoot tips and bamboo shoots. I'm using canned ones today. Smacking the bamboo shoot tips gives it a better texture and creates pockets for better absorption of the soup. Slice into strips. Slice the bamboo shoots thinly and into manageable pieces. We'll need to boil them for 20 minutes to neutralize any canned flavors. If you're using fresh raw bamboo, I have a separate video that I'll link on how to prep them so they're safe to eat. After 20 minutes, strain and rinse with clean water. The bamboo is now ready to use. We'll also need an assortment of mushrooms. I'm using straw, Maitake, Enoki, and oyster mushrooms. Shred into manageable sizes. This soup brings back so many vivid memories of the elders foraging for fresh bamboo shoots. The pointy bamboo shoot spears peeking from the lush vegetation of the forest. They'd haul the harvest home and prepare the soup packed with wild herbs and vegetables. Kabocha squash will add a creamy, sweet bite. And for greenery freshness, young kabocha squash leaves and tendrils. They have a delicate flavor. we'll need lemon basil, which adds a nice citrusy, pure herbal flavor and aroma. And rice paddy herbs. Think of lemon zest and cumin together. That's what the smell and taste reminds me of. Give it a good rinse. Smack the lemongrass to activate its fragrance and flavor. It will infuse its essence easier into the soup this way. This is khao bua, basically sticky rice that's been soaked in water for at least 3 hours. It will be the thickening agent for this soup. Smash well. Add water and grind until you get it as smooth as possible. This can also be done in a blender. These are quail eggs. I'm using canned ones today, which work great. For more aromatics, in goes fresh red chilies, dried red chilies, and shallots. Smash into a paste like this. In a pot with the heat off, in goes the bamboo. This is the juice from Yanang leaves, which is commonly canned at my local Asian grocery store where I live. It's a key ingredient in this soup. It's made from bruising and scrunching the yanang leaves in water until the chlorophyll has been released. As it oxidizes, it will naturally become this deep, moody green color, iconic to this soup. On its own, it tastes just like a rich green tea. It's tasty, has a range of health benefits, and loaded with nutrients. If you're using a canned one, make sure the only ingredients are water and yanang leaves. I'm using 3 cans, which gives me about 5.5 cups. In goes the Yanang Leaves juices, water, lemongrass, and the chili shallot paste. This is unfiltered fish sauce that hasn't been seasoned. It's funky and salty and will add a complex umami flavor to this soup. In it goes. Stir and mix everything well. Now turn the heat on to medium-high. Cover and bring this to a boil. Once boiling, skim off any scum that has collected. In goes our mushrooms. And quail eggs. Season with fish sauce, granulated chicken flavor soup base mix, mix well. Add in the Kabocha Squash and boil until they're fork tender. And the sticky rice slurry we made earlier. I'm using all of it. The thickness of the soup is up to you. I like mine thicker. Remove the lemongrass. It did a great job infusing into the soup. Young kabocha squash leaves and tendrils. And the lemon basil and rice paddy herbs last. Stir for a few minutes to allow the herbs to wilt and infuse their flavors and shut off the heat. See how rich and thick the soup got from the sticky rice slurry? In goes fresh red chilies. I added some MSG for additional umami magic. Taste and adjust the flavors to your liking. The soup should be earthy, herby, umami, savory, and aromatic. Here we have it, Gang Naw Mai, this nutritious bamboo vegetable soup. Eat with sticky rice or jasmine rice. Eat with your clean hands and with a spoon. so comforting and robust. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button, and I'll see you all in the next video. Be safe, everyone.